Hi guys, I'm here at the IWA 25 with Bruno from Brunox. Nice meeting you again.
Hello, Michael.
Thank you so much for letting me sit here and speak with you about a very important question. So everybody knows that Brunox, most of them have two different products, an orange and a green one, and lubricant oil. And they have a different and another product. It's a turbo clean, and it's normally they say for brake cleaning, and I used it never for brake cleaning. So for me, it was always off-label used to clean my firearms in the past 5 to 10 years. And so today is the question why you should use it for your firearms, what's inside here and why it's not dangerous. I also used it for my optics and never had problems with the coating. So maybe you can tell us the secret of the brake cleaner.
The brake cleaner is it's a very good formula without any acetone. So there is also no isopropylic alcohol inside, and also all ingredients will not attack any surfaces. Is it plastic, rubber, gum at least? And as you already told, especially also for optics, it's a very good product. Mainly, we use it for, as you told, for disc brakes, for the bicycle industry, but it's a very good product also for the whole gun industry.
Yeah. I remember years ago, your sister sent me a package and I said, okay, she said, use it for your bike, and I straight sprayed it on my firearms, and till this day, I never used any other product.
Yeah, of course, you can use it very good for the upper, but also for the under part of every gun. For degreasing, you can remove all the carbon stuff, and it's an amazing product.
And fast cleaning. It's
Exactly.
called Turbo Clean, and it is. You don't need a compressor of air. You just, this is really powerful here.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry for destroying. Look here, guys. It's really, really powerful, and every particle inside the lower, like of the rifle or the upper, any firearm parts, it's gone. It blows away.
Right, right.
This was now a lot of liquid, and while we are speaking, I guess this will be gone in a few minutes.
It will disappear. Absolutely, absolutely.
And maybe you can also say how many minutes you need to wait after you start cleaning? Or
about 2 minutes.
After
2 minutes, it will disappear completely at least. So there will also be no residues, and it will attack no surface. That's the most important.
So you can wipe over it.
Exactly.
And you see here, then it's even faster gone.
Right.
That's insane, guys. But anyway, we recommend always wear safety goggles when you use it, because particles can spray all over.
Right.
And use your gloves as well, correct?
Exactly. And also afterwards, you need to protect your gun with lob core, and then you also have no rust.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very important.
Exactly.
And whenever you want to change anything on your gun, like mounting an optic, and you want to decrease it, you can use it for decreasing as well.
Also, of course.
So guys, thank you so much for watching, and get your turbo clean.